Okay, well, your topic is anything which you lost and you got it back. What was that? Where did you lose the thing and what happened?
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I lost ample of things in my life, but the most precious was a watch which was gifted by my father. And my father, I'm elder one in my family, and my father was a retired army person. And one of his friends gifted him a watch which was very precious and beautiful. I liked that watch very much, and I told my father that I like that watch very much, and he, with a big smile, he gifted me that watch and asked me be happy. Then I was very excited at that time, and after 6 months, I got fell ill, and
I
one after
became
one
ill,
I
I
became
got ill.
I got ill, and after one week when I was became healthy, and I noticed that the watch was disappeared, and I was very shocked, and I asked all member of my family about that watch, but no one knows
No
about
one knew.
no one knew about that. So I conducted a frantic search for my watch, and I got it in my attache case, where I often put my precious things, and I was very happy. It was a remembrance watch for me because my father
Memorable
died.
watch, memorable
Memorable watch
watch.
for me because my father died after some time, and
That was
that
the
was
symbol of your
symbol
father's
of
death.
my father.
Okay, whenever you get such sort of topic, remember one thing. Explain anything in which you liked a lot, any incident in which you played very important role. Remember one thing: you don't have to tell the story abruptly. You just have to create the situation. For example, your topic is anything which you lost and you got it back. Your start should be, sir, losing anything is a natural phenomena.
Yes.
Most of the time we lose the thing because we are not perfect. We are human beings and we most of the time lose the thing and we get sad. So losing something is a very challenging and it's very difficult phenomena, but we should be remain cool and calm. And keeping in view, I am just sharing with you the style that you have to use. Keeping in view this very phenomena, I still remember once I lost my watch. Okay, so you
I
just
told.
have to use such sort of start whenever in your IELTS test you will get sort of topic.
Okay, I understood. I told the whole story because I was very attached with that part, and
Okay, okay. Okay, how were
I
you
want to
feeling?
show my emotions.
How were you feeling after getting that watch?
I was very excited, and it was very precious to me. As I said first, that it is gifted by my late father, and it is a memorable thing for me
Okay. Do you
to kept
normally
it.
lose your things in your daily routine?
Yes, I often lose my things in my daily routine. 2 days ago, I lost my key of my bike, and I searched it for a lot. And my elder son took it in his pocket and go away
And went
for
away.
playing.
And went away.
Went out for playing.
Okay. Okay. So, do you think that most of the time when we lose things, we get upset and we don't eat even the
Yes,
meal?
it depends on
It
it
depends.
depends on
It depends.
the preciousness of that thing, or importance of that thing, or
Priority of
priority or importance of that thing,
importance and significance of it.
significance of that thing. If you lose important thing, you even never want to eat, or
So you mean to say we
you're
cannot
sleeping.
get rid of this phenomena because it's a natural thing.
Yes, yes,
ठीक है वो
of
कहते हैं ना
course.
जिस तन लगे उस तन जाने
Yes, of
ठीक है ना
course.
तो वो ये कि जब तक आप एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करते तब you are unable to
To explain about that
explain that aspect. So
incident.
experience is
It's
best.
being very much
Obviously, when you
important.
experience, you get it. Okay, very well said. And Masoud, you have a potential to get more than 7 bands in IELTS.
Inshallah, sir, inshallah.
So be fluent. All the best.
Thank you, sir.